Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Convert 300 Kelvin to degrees Fahrenheit. So this is just basic math. We've got 300 Kelvin minus 273 to get it into degrees Celsius, which becomes 27 degrees Celsius. We have the formula 1.8 multiplied by degrees Celsius plus 32. That will give us degrees Fahrenheit. So 1.8 multiplied by 27 degrees Celsius plus 32. This will give us 80.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Before we leave, I encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets in trouble and gets taken down. I follow all copyright rules, however, sometimes things just happen. So just use the snipping tool. I'm sure you all know how to use it by now. However, if you're using snipping tool for the first time, follow these instructions below. First, go to snipping tool. This will be found in your taskbar. If not, search snipping tool in the Windows search. If you're using Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. Click on video, click on new, left click, drag your rectangle and cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then click the start button, wait for the countdown, click the replay button, let the video finish. Hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, before we leave, once again, if you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.